Hello, my name is Joshua Mugabi. I welcome you to Biology Master Part 7. Let's straight away go to our quiz. Scans the surface of the object W, a gold medal. Gives you a detailed 3D image in black and white that you view on a monitor or screen. Scanning electron microscope. Unicellular organisms that lack a nucleus and have few organelles. Prokaryotes. Unicellular or multicellular organisms that have a nucleus with more organelles. Eukaryotes. Gives the cell shape, structure, and protection. Cell wall. Some cells have an extra layer to protect the inside of the cell. Capsule. Controls what goes in and out of the cell. Cell membrane. Gel-like substance inside of the cell where chemical reactions occur. Cytoplasm. Area of the cell that contains the DNA. Nucleoid. Small circular DNA molecule separated from the DNA in the nucleoid. Plasmid. An organelle that is used to make proteins for the cell. Ribosomes. Long, whip-like tail used to help the cell move. flagellum. Short, hair-like structures that cover the surface of the cell that aid in adhesion and conjugation. Pili. Collected body of data from observations and experiments. Evidence. Number of pieces of info tested in a survey or experiment. Sufficient sample size. When studies are replicated and achieved the same or similar results as the original study. Replication of results. A way of determining science from non-science. Concept of falsification. A group of macromolecules that are unimportant energy source for the cell. Carbohydrates. What do carbohydrates do? Structure support and found on the surface of cell recognition. What are carbohydrates made of? Carbon, hydrogen, and oxygen. Main info carrying molecules of the cell. Nucleic acid. Nucleic acids functions. Expression and storage of genetic info and enable protein production. Any of various compounds that are insoluble in liquids. Lipids. Dear friends, thank you very much for trying out Biology Master Part 7. Please do like, share, and subscribe. I'm Joshua Mugabi. Bye-bye for now.